Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we are definitely still in an uptrend. Every day recently, I've been coming on here and telling you to do nothing but look for longs. I have it shrunk down quite a bit because the next big resistance area for me is the 90% Fibonacci retracement from the daily all the way up at around 157. I mean, unless this thing breaks a very significant structure to the downside on around the 2 to 4 hour time frame, which way down here is my structure, then anything I do see to the downside, which it definitely could go down, I think likely would be nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. I definitely do agree that all the yen pairs as a group look like they're getting very close to a big turn. I just don't really think the turn is quite ready yet. We still perhaps maybe a few weeks out. So, anyways, definitely still looking for logs, and don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.